Okay, what's happening, guys? What's up? Sorry about that. We had to switch over from Discord into um, YouTube because we reached max capacity for some reason on Discord. Anyways, what we're looking at on US30, just confirm that you guys can see my chart clearly. Please confirm in the chat if you can see the chart clearly. So what we are looking at is buys on US30. Just a quick recap. We were looking at, so it hasn't changed. We haven't moved to tentative. So that means we are going to indeed have a CPI release today. Forecast is expected to come in at 0.3, which is in line with the previous. So should we see this number come out in line or lower, we will maintain our bullish bias. If it comes out higher than anticipated or forecasted, that means trouble. So we will then, our bias changes completely. So looking at US30, technically it does support a same print as what's forecast. Technically, we are looking at longs. I explained why on the Discord, but for those that are on here live now and missed that on the Discord, on the daily time frame, we've obviously had a raid of liquidity from Wednesday's low. So yesterday I taken out Wednesday's low, which was sitting within our daily fair value gap or our BSI, right? So buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency in that area. We've raided the previous day's low, right? And we've obviously bounced up. We had caught beautiful buys yesterday from the same area. I'm expecting a bigger draw on liquidity all the way up into Tuesday's high and then potentially back into Wednesday's high and then potentially back into Tuesday's high up above. So technically, I am seeing the move as such. A raid into buy side. You can see clearly we've had an interim low or an induced low down there on the 4 hour, which was liquidated yesterday, and not only yesterday, Wednesday as well. So Wednesday did that drop and then Thursday rallied up. From there you can see that we've maintained, so this is the higher low, we've maintained the higher low down here. Next target for me, like I said, is here, 47,200 on the futures chart, and then 47,350 or 340 area on top at the main high. So that is what we are looking at on the drop down quickly. Like I said a little bit earlier, I was expecting price to just retest a little bit more. There was an area I'll show you now on the 15 and 5 minute I was watching. We have managed to sort of inverse this 1 hour FEG. We pulled into an FEG which was created in the Asian session down here. Most of the Asian lows were taken. So if we look at this, we had all these lows being swept. London came into that area on the 1 hour and then obviously bounced off. So this was the area I was looking at, which is a 5 minute FEG within this overall 15 minute FEG. Price didn't exactly get into that, but held at the 15. We're looking at an Asian high up above, so that's good. I do see us running from anywhere in this area. So anywhere in this area, we could potentially spike, might even spike into here, hopefully before. But I will be entering the trade, call it at like 14.20. I'll be entering buys. Remember, guys, technically we're seeing a buy. Fundamentally, we don't know what that number will come out as, whether it comes out as forecasted or it comes out higher or it comes out lower. So when you're trading news events as CPI, NFP, FOMC, remember we do a technical analysis, we do a fundamental analysis, and based on that you build a bias. And for me personally, I trade it outside of my trading plan. So I take an amount that I'm willing to risk. So I fund an amount I'm willing to lose because I know that it can go against me. So please take note of that. If you are trading, make sure, if you are trading this news event, make sure you are funding what you are comfortable losing. Typically, we take profits that we've made in the week, a portion of that, and then we trade that on an event like this, whether it's 1,000 rand, 5,000, 20,000, 100,000, whatever you are comfortable with, because it is a calculated sort of trade. We're managing our risk in terms of that, and we also don't want to throw out our entire week's profit based on that. So yeah, let's see. We are looking at. I see we got Tella in the chat. Tella, I thought you're a paddler, boss. I thought you're a paddler. What's happening? Also, guys, I did send out Trump's tweets on Truth Social. For those that missed it, he had tweeted on Truth Social a couple of things. One being the United States is wealthy, powerful, and nationally secure again, all because of tariffs. The most important case ever is in the United States Supreme Court. God bless America. And then the next tweet straight after that was the stock market is stronger than ever because of tariffs. So him saying all this just before the release. I know he's done this before, and he's done it a few months ago, and the market did rally for the release. So we are watching that. Teller says, I'm just here for moral support. What the fuck? Okay, so we are waiting. I'm gonna enter at 14:20, guys. I'm gonna start entering at 14:20. See this fucking teller. How can you tell me you're putting your money on silver? We're trading US30 here, boss. You got anal the other day on silver. What are you talking about? I haven't analyzed silver. I'm not, yeah. Let's check gold quickly. I see gold's come back down a bit. Thing is, if the dollar gets stronger, that would mean gold drops, and which is what has happened from Thursday this week. So yesterday we saw strength in the dollar, and the moment that happens, you see, you see a drop in gold. But I'm not trading gold for this news release for CPI. I am looking at US30 today. Guys, ideally I would have liked or want to see price come into here. This area would be ideal, which is why I'm going to start entering at 20 past. And then if it drops, I'm going to add. This might be a very hectic one because obviously the release was, this is, remember, September's CPI release. So it's been pushed out a few weeks now. What are you guys seeing? Drop it in the comments what you guys are seeing. Also, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, get us back in the algo. I saw one of the videos did well. It did about 100,000 views. I think it was a Cape Town video. Blake says I'm going to buy and sell at the same time just to be safe. Hey, the good old days, boss. Good old days. We used to take 2 different accounts, guys, back a while ago. One buy, one sell. Teaching you guys some tricks here. Zaid says sell, spike, then buy. Jamie says I see a buy. I'm going to do it on the same account. No man, you're gonna bomb if you take a buy and a sell on the same account. What the fuck? Remember guys, risk only what you can afford to lose. It is a news event and news events fall outside of our trading plan. Nobody can tell you that there is a 100% guarantee or win rate on news events because they will never know what that print comes out as. You can do the best technical analysis in the world, but that number can still come out against you, and the market can also react whichever way it wants to. So it's very unpredictable. This being even more unpredictable because obviously it's been delayed due to US shutdown for the last 3 or 4 weeks. So yeah. Alright, so it's almost time. I'm going to look at I'm adding an entry here. I'm adding an entry here. This is potentially a pullback area. Remember, if it drops more, we're going to start adding. So we gradually will add. But the main time for me to add will be after 25 minutes, guys. So after 25 past, that's when we add in properly. Some brokers go off quotes and all of that, so just be careful. I don't know who you guys are using, but some brokers go off quotes a few minutes before. Okay. How's the nerves, guys? How's the nerves? Feeling never gets old, eh, when it comes to news events. Not trading today, just gonna watch. Good luck, Chad. Okay. I'm baked right now. The nerves are nervous, so that's helping me. Yeah, no, the nerves of a news event is unreal, guys. Zakir. Mortgage the house for full margin. Ish. Nah, fuck. I remember there was one guy who once told me that he took his university fees and full margin. Some crazy shit, guys. People do some weird things. You know, we laugh about it, but there's some people out there that do some really stupid things as well. Yes, guys, we have entered. Remember, I'll add a little bit more. If we spike, this is a potential area as well. So let's see, maybe it's not that far away. It's about 300 pips from where we are right now, or less than that. So I just want to get a little bit closer there. Hopefully we get somewhere here at 27 minutes past. Ooh. Nerves, guys, nerves. I'm high on sedative PC, so no nerves for me. Ish. You're lucky. Yo, guys, I remember one CPI had moved like fucking 6,000 pips in that first minute. It was probably about 3 years back. It was probably one of my biggest CPIs, well, at the time especially. I think I also did that where we had one account on a sell and one account on a buy, but that buy account, that buy account fucking 100x. It was wild. that would be ideal, but it doesn't look like we're going to get that. So I'm adding. Okay, we got under 2 minutes, guys. Under 2 minutes. Under 2 minutes. Yeah, same. I can't add more either. Clicking. "15 seconds, guys." Boom! Boom! Fuck yes! Close, guys! Close! I'm out. I'm literally out. I am out, guys. Fuck! What a trade! What a fucking trade, guys! Fuck! Fuck! Yo! W's, baby! W's, guys, come on, drop those W's. Fuck yes! What a fucking trade, guys. Yo! Fuck! That was to the fucking T, guys. Absolutely fucking smashed. I can't believe this. We fucking killed. We killed this, guys. Fuck. Guys, one of my accounts was I took fucking 10k to fucking 60k here, guys. Let me see if I manage to get the screenshot. Fuck. Also, I screenshotted at like 40, guys. Those are at like 40 from 10k. But that was a screenshot. I didn't get a screenshot after. This is the HFM one. I had a little bit more in this account though, guys. Fuck. W's, baby. What a way to end the week. What a fucking way to end the week, guys. I just need to update my group. 1 second. Absolutely insane, guys. Fuck. Love you, love Trump, guys. We love Trump, we love Trump. That was a Trump special, guys. That was a fucking Trump special. 100% Trump special, guys. Yo, guys, I need you guys to drop those W's. I'm gonna make a quick video. You guys need to drop those W's. 1 second. Here we go. Absolutely smashed CPI, guys. We're doing live on stream on YouTube. 2,000 pips, guys, in front of everybody. Check all the W's coming through, guys. W's in the chat. W's. 2,000 plus pips on US 30. Smashed. Absolutely live, guys, and done for free. Look here. It was sent out as well, guys. This was my trades. You can see this account took 1.5 to like 14. This account we took 10k to about 60k, and it was sent out, guys. All sent out. Done live. Bang. Guys, unbelievable trade, guys. Yo. No, that was killer. That was fucking killer. I just want to check the chat quickly. Yo, guys, did some crazy numbers here. Guys, just tell me what you made in the chat quickly. Just drop it in the chat. What you guys made. What did you guys make in the chat for this trade? $750 to $12K, 7 big boys. What else? What else? Who else? Come on, guys. What else did you guys make? Let me know, guys, what else you guys made. This was wild, wild, wild. I think I made like over 100 and something in total. And it was from relatively small accounts, guys. But yo, what a trade. $1,050 in a blink. Nice, guys, nice. Guys, I'm going to love you and leave you until the next live. Take care and enjoy your blues. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Peace, guys. Peace. Have a blessed one.